Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share Glimmygo box, which is a subscription box and which I have ordered obviously from their site at glimmygo.com, and this is how it came to me. Without any further ado, let's just open it up. This is how the box looks like. Look at this, how pretty this box looks like. This is from their December collection, and actually I've ordered this box for the first time, so this is impression kind of a video as well. I'm not going to review this box because I've ordered this box for the first time, and I've ordered it because it is the cheapest subscription box I've ever came across. I've got it for rupees 400. Just open it up. When I've opened it, this is how it has. This two little beautiful cards. Let me just show you this description made on it, that what products are inside the box. Here is a list of all the products which is inside the box. The second card, they have given small little cute description about the products that they have provided inside the box, which is this one and this one. Which is the first product I have got is Monsub Crystal Collagen Eye Mask. This eye mask is worth rupees 200. If you buy this eye mask individually, then this will cost you rupees 200, but in this whole box, by only paying rupees 400 for this box, you are going to get the products which are absolutely amazing, and they all total worth rupees 2500. This is the second product I've got inside the box. This is the Mana Beauty Illuminator Glow, which is I think a beautiful highlighter. Third, I've got Natural Bath and Body Clarifying Face Mask. This is a face mask. The worth of this face mask is $175. The fourth product I've got from BioBloom Foot Cream. This is a foot cream. The actual worth of this foot cream is rupees 230. This is how it looks, and that's it for the Glimmygo box. Inside this Glimmygo box, I have got 4 products worth rupees 2500, and you are going to pay only 400 for this whole box. If you are interested in this box, then absolutely give it a try. You can buy this Glimmygo box from their own website. I'm going to link their website in the description box below, so you guys can check it. So that's it for the video now. If you like it, then please subscribe to my channel.